Can the Arduino UNO Q connect directly to a 5V module? Not recommended. The Arduino UNO Q uses 3.3V I/O, while many LCDs, sensors, and communication modules use 5V logic. A logic level mismatch may cause communication failure or even damage the board. Today we are looking at the 52PIEP0257, a level shift shield for Arduino UNO Q. Its purpose is simple. It helps the Arduino UNO Q's 3.3V I/O connect more safely to 5V peripherals. It uses a standard shield form factor so it can stack directly on the Arduino UNO Q without extra wiring. The colored headers are beginner friendly. Black is GND, red is 5V, yellow is 3.3V, blue is digital I/O, white is analog, and green indicates system pass-through pins. For example, connect a 5V12C LCD. VCC goes to the red 5V pin, GND to black GND, SDA to A4, and SEL to A5. In code, use the standard wire library. The shield handles the level shifting. The center cutout is also useful. After the shield is installed, the UNO Q's onboard LED matrix is still visible, so you do not need to remove the board during debugging. Important: green pins such as VIN, RF, IORF, and boot are pass-through pins, not level-shifted channels. Do not connect 5V signal lines to these pins. In summary, if you use Arduino UNO Q and want to connect 5V LCDs, sensors, UART, or SPI modules, the EP0257 makes wiring safer and more intuitive. For more 52Pi product demos, remember to like and subscribe.